this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this Windmill Easel card using the Tulip Fields bundle from the Flowering Fields suite. Alright, for this easel card, this Windmill Easel card, I used the Tulip Fields bundle, which has this lovely stamps that create this tulip field here, and then these dies that create the windmill. So super fun. There's also a little bike and row of tulips and some clouds. So really super fun bundle. So I'm just gonna put that aside while I show you how I did this. So here's a couple of samples of me trying to line this up. I'll admit it's a little difficult, but it's doable. So I'm gonna try again, see if third time is the charm. If not, this one's pretty good. And I don't like this one. But first I'm gonna show you how I did the easel, or the windmill. So I'm using the adhesive sheet, so I'm just gonna hold it over the trash can so all the little pieces go hopefully in the trash. Okay, some of them didn't. So then you gotta peel them off, and then they get sticky, and then they see they're sticking all over me. And then you just gotta put them in the trash. Whoop. And a couple more. And then I think these two at the top. So I've already got a hole at the top of this one. And if you have the handheld 16th punch, you can use that. Or if you have the Label Me Fancy punch, you can use that. So I'll show you both. So we have the 16th handheld punch, so you can use that to punch your hole here. Or you can use the Label Me Fancy punch, and there's a little hole punch right there. So, the only problem is you're gonna cut the tip of your windmill off. Ruh-roh, that doesn't work. Okay, so we're just gonna use the handheld punch here. And then I'm gonna use the brads, round and square brads, and I'm just gonna find a round black one right here. And I'm gonna put it through the windmill and then through the structure. And I'm gonna bend these down that way, and I'm just gonna tape them in place. Just so they don't move around. So let's see, I just added some tape there. I'm gonna trim that because I don't want that piece showing. Okay. And then now, hopefully it's not too tight and our windmill should spin. Isn't that fun? Woo, 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 woo. Okay. So now I'm going to get some scrap paper. Grid paper would be good to use. I've got some scrap paper, and I'm gonna use fresh freesia first. And I just have a thick Whisper White base, and I'm just going to use some Post-it note tape. This is kind of fun. Okay, 2 3/4 is right there. So I'm gonna mask off at 1 1/4, ½ inch. Oops, a bit too. 1 1/4, I think. Let me see where I masked off here. Oh yeah. On the money. Okay, so first I'm gonna do the pool party, and I'm gonna just create a sky with the pool party. So I don't need this anymore right now. So I'm just gonna start off the page and then just gently add some Pool Party. It wasn't so gentle right there. Anyway, just gonna be different amounts of color everywhere. Okay, so, oh, nope, I need the Pool Party for the clouds. So I have a little cloud over here. And I have some big clouds up here, over here. Okay, so there's my clouds. Okay, so now I'm gonna score. I'm just gonna peel that off. And then I can use that again, so I'll just keep that. So I'm gonna get my trimmer and I'm gonna score this at 2 3/4. So this is the scoring blade, just be aware of that. So 2 3/4, and I'm gonna score it now. And I just want that for the easel part, but I wanted to do it after I colored so that I don't get this like really thick, dark line of ink there. So it just looks more continuous. Okay, so now I can stamp my first row of flowers. So I start with this one, and I'm just gonna try to line this up. So my head might get in the way because I'm trying to see. Yeah, pretty good. Okay, so I got that. So now I'm gonna start using this stamp right here, this like triangle one, and I'm gonna alternate between Gorgeous Grape and Highland Heather. So I'm gonna start with some Gorgeous Grape, and I'm just gonna try and space it. There's some little thing right here. Okay. With the spacing in the stamp. So this is my point that I'm gonna start at, my vanishing point here. And I'm not gonna worry too much about the point because I'm gonna hide that under the windmill. But I do kind of want these to be as even as I can get them. So I'm just using, like I said, the edge of the stamp to kind of guide me here. Sorry, my head's in the way again. I just need to try to line this up as best I can. Okay, so those look good. So I'm just gonna clean this off real quick, and we'll do Highland Heather, and then we'll do Gorgeous Grape again. So I'm gonna put the Gorgeous Grape aside so I don't accidentally use it, because I've never done that before. Okay, so now Highland Heather. Whoops. Nope, nope, nope. That's Fresh Fuchsia. Glad I checked. Here's Highland Heather. Okay. So I'm going to clean off the Fresh Fuchsia. Okay. So Highland Heather. And we'll start on this side. Sorry if my head gets in the way again. Okay. Wow, I'm doing good this time. You know, 10th time is the charm. Hopefully I'm not speaking too soon. The desk is wood. Okay. So this time oops, that's too close. I moved the points up a bit. So instead of like bringing them down, I'm like making them move up. And so I think that's going better. So we'll see if this last one fits or if it's really got a lot of wide gaps. Okay, so now I'm done with the Highland Heather. I'm gonna do Gorgeous Grape again. Just make sure that's mostly dry. Okay, Gorgeous Grape. Let's see. Oh, it's still pretty wide. Just gonna go like that. It's okay. Luckily, I'm gonna hide most of that, so just plan your card to hide it if you don't want to see your points not line up. Okay, so now I had a piece of paper. While I have the gorgeous grape out, I'm just gonna go ahead and stamp this "Love you so much." Love you so much. Just right here. Okay, and I have again the fancy Label Me Fancy punch, and I'm just going to use that for this. Okay, and so we're done with that. All right, so now we can do a little bit of assembly. So the windmill, I'm just going to put some dimensionals on the bottom. And here they are. So like 2 on the bottom, because we don't want anything sticking to the top, or that would prevent our easel from popping up. Oh, I forgot, we got to put the fences down first. So I put some adhesive backing on the fences, so I can just peel that off. There's one little tiny piece in there. Okay, and we'll put the fence up. And then we'll do the other side. Oh, good. Okay, nice. Okay, now we can put this windmill down. We'll try to center it here. I'm gonna move it down a little bit more. Cover that up to like right there. Yay! Okay, and so now we can fold this. So this is gonna be our easel. And then you can add the "Love you so much" wherever you want it. You can also, like I did with this one, I still have a little piece stuck to my thumb, add a fun color with the Scallop Contours dies by using the largest rectangle die, and then add that in there, and that just really adds a nice color to it. Or you could just leave it white. It's up to you. Or you could do a green, or you could do Highland Heather, whatever you want. So I am offering a free card class when you purchase either of the bundles in the Flowering Fields suite. So that would be either the Tulip Fields bundle that I used for this card, or the Flowering Tulips dies that I used for this card. And the class consists of this easel card and supplies to make 2 of these pop-up easel cards. So they pop up like this. And you can watch my other videos on these cards. And then this is a tuck and fold card. Move that one out of the way. So 6 cards, 3 designs, 2 of each. And just email me and let me know that you would like the Flowering Fields card kit when you purchase one of the bundles or place a $40 order using my current hostess code. Thank you so much for watching my video tutorial. I really appreciate your support. Please continue your support by subscribing to my YouTube channel and clicking on the notification bell so that you know every time I post a new video. Thanks so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.